i-DA ibenendibano ne-IFP, i-UDM, Action SA, i-Freedom Front Plus, i-Patriotic Alliance, i-COPE kwakunye ne-ACDP. I-DA ke ivumile kuba ezo ngxoxo bezinzima ngakumbi.
The numbers there and the results have thrown up a huge number of very highly complex configurations of parties. And it is proving quite a challenge to bring people together around a common set of values and principles to form those coalitions. But we've been heartened. There have been a number of talks.
Inkokeli ze-DA zithi oku sisizathu sokuphanza kweengxoxo zayo ne-Patriotic Alliance.
Gayton McKenzie's been very direct about this. Right from our first discussions at the Results Centre in Tshwane, he said to me, look, forget all of this stuff. What I'm interested in is money and jobs for my people, and that is what we're going after. So he was very direct. And when there is such a bad fit in terms of values, it's obviously not an ideal marriage.
Ezinkokeli zimbini ziphinde zalubethelela uluvo lokuba lo mbutho wabo awunawusebenzisana ne-EFF kwane-ANC kwaphela. Kucace gca ke into yoba akukabikho zigqibo zitheni kwezi ngxoxo nezinkokeli, kodwa ixesha lishokoxekile, nto ethetha into yoba kuzawufuneka de kucace icala. Yolisa Njamela, weendaba ze-SABC eGauteng.